how to switch off iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So today I'm going to show you 3 ways to switch off an iPhone. So let's dive right in. So the easiest way is to swipe down from the top right and you'll find the power button on the top right corner of the screen. You can just tap on it and slide to power off. So second method is you can go to your settings and then tap on general, then scroll down and here you'll find the shutdown option. And the third option is this you can use to restart your device. Like you can just force restart it when nothing else is working and your screen is freezing. So what you can do is tap on the volume up button and then the power button, hold it together and then just hold it until you see slide to power off option. So this way you can even force restart a device like I said. And that's it. I hope one of these 3 methods work out just fine for you. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.